All right, here we go. PEMDAS review. Remember, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. And the reason I say multiplication or division is because remember, it's whatever comes first when you read it left to right. Okay, so I'm going to try and hold the phone while I'm solving it. So I apologize for the shadows again. Okay, here we go. I have parentheses, but I have more than one operation in the parentheses. So now I go to my PEMDAS rules within the parentheses, and multiplication comes first. So I multiply 10 times 7, which is, and I remember I underline what I'm working on, okay? So 10 times 7, 70, and then I copy down the rest of my problem. This is one of the best habits you can get in. Keeping yourself organized and working through a problem. Okay? So now I still have parentheses. So now my next one, 70 plus 40. Remember your powers of 10 and your rules of zeros. So really I can say 7 plus 4 is 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Add a 0. So 110. Copied on the rest of my problem. Plus 38 times 10. Now, the reason why it's so important to copy down the rest of your problem is so that you can see exactly what you have left to do. And what comes next in my orders of operation? Well, PEMDAS, parentheses are done. Exponents I don't have. Addition or subtraction or multiplication or division or addition, subtraction. I have multiplication. Okay, so I have to multiply 38 times 10 next. What is 38 times 10? 380 plus 110. Now, if you need to write it vertically in order to solve it, do that. No worries, you can do that. I'm going to solve it this way. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 490 is my final answer. Okay, and again, that was number 1 on that worksheet, on the PEMDAS worksheet. I don't know if I said that, and I'm so sorry if I didn't. This is from your worksheet in Google Math, or Google Classroom. My goodness. All right, number 2. Still from that same worksheet, okay? Number 2, and I go through my rules. And you know what? I'm going to write my acronym up here so that I can remember even easier. PEMDAS. All right, now I go through. Do I have parentheses? No. Do I have exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? When I look left, and I start over to the left, oh, I sure do. I have multiplication. So I underline what I'm working on, write down 1 times 5 is 5. Copy down my problem, the stuff before it, the stuff after it. Do I have any more multiplication? Nope. Do I have any division? Nope. Do I have addition or subtraction? Yes, and I have to solve whichever comes first, going left to right. So when I look at this, I have to do 31 minus 5 first. So 31 minus 5, 31. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. 26, and then I copied on the rest of my problem. 26 minus 8 plus 33. Then I keep going. I'm still working on addition and subtraction, and I have this subtraction problem, 26 minus 8, to do next. So 26 minus 8, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. 8, is that right? 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. Yeah, sorry. And then 18, and then copied on the rest of my problem, 33. So now I'm left with 18 plus 33. Well, you can write it like this, and here, I'm running out of room here. You can write it like this if that's easier for you. Okay, no worries. And then 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Final answer, I'm going to write it right over here, 51. Okay, so that's number 2 from the worksheet in Google Classroom. I'm going to do one more. All right, one more. But these are the steps that you need to take to solve it. Even if you think you can do it in your head, because some of them, let's be honest, you can. But again, you're building those phenomenal habits. All right, so I'm going to write my acronym up here again. PEMDAS. Okay. And I ask myself, do I have parentheses? Yes. Now, so right now, I go right to the parentheses, and what do I have first? Do I have exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? Yes. I have to do them in order from left to right. So my first one that I'm going to work on, 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. I keep my parentheses because I'm not done with them yet. 36 divided by 2 times 10. Keep the parentheses, plus 40. So now I ask myself again, I'm still on multiplication or division, and I have to do which one comes first when I read it from left to right, which would be this division problem, 36 divided by 2. Now, some of you might not know what 36 divided by 2 is off the top of your head. So I suggest that you remember your division. Let me show you. 36 divided by 2. Okay. 2 goes into 3 one time. 2 it's real hard to hold it and record at the same time. So 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down my 6. Okay, so there I am. And then, I'm trying to hold the phone differently so I can get everything in. It's not working real well. And then 2 goes into 16 how many times? Well, you can always count it, guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It goes in 8 times. So my 8 goes above my 6. And then 2 times 8 is 16. Woo! 16 minus 16 is 0. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. So back to our original problem. 36 divided by 2, 18. I have to keep my parentheses because I'm not done with them. I still have numbers in there. Okay. So, now I have parentheses left, and I only have one thing left to do in them. 18 times 10. Well, 18 times 10, remember I say 18 times 1, add a 0. So 18 times 1 is 18, add a 0, 180. Copy down the rest of my problem, plus 40. I only have one more thing to do, which is 180 plus 40, which gives me 220. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 1, 2. Final answer, 220. Okay, so that is number 4 from your worksheet.